This is part 2 of the video about how to create a simple touch switch. In part 1 I showed how we can make a simple touch switch using only few electronic components and later used it to control a reading lamp. In this part 2 of the video I will explain how the circuit works. The IC CD4011 is a quad NAND gate IC which has 4 NAND gates inside it, arranged in this configuration. The circuit for the touch switch uses 2 out of the 4 NAND gates, arranged in this way, which is called a latch. Latch configuration will change its output state to high or low based on which input pin is given a high to low pulse. To achieve a high on both input pins, we can add two 10 kΩ resistors at the input pins. And if we send a high to low on pin 1, the output will change to high. And if we send a high to low on pin 6, the output will change to low. The latch configuration can hold the information of the output state, whether it was high or low, indefinitely. Meaning, if we make the output high and turn off the power supply, and later when we connect the power supply back, the output will still be high. Hence, latch configuration can hold 1 bit of digital data. To make a touch switch out of this, we can change 10 kΩ resistors with 10 MΩ resistors. 10 MΩ is a weak pull-up resistor. Having this high value of resistance makes the pin easy to bring it to ground level, which can be done by just touching the pin. Since changing the value of pull-up resistor affects the sensitivity of the pin, we can change the 10 MΩ resistor with a 10 MΩ potentiometer so that we can adjust the sensitivity of the touch and avoid false triggering. This concludes part 2 of the video. If you have anything to say about this, mention in the comments below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.